Hello, and thank you for joining me. Today we will be making an Italian sausage and mushroom frittata. And what I really like about a frittata is they can be made with practically anything you have roaming around in your fridge. They're nutritious, healthy, and simple enough for any meal and any day of the week. I hope you enjoy. And we'll start by slicing some mushrooms. Don't worry, I will have all the ingredients listed in the description for you, along with the amounts. Next, we want to peel and finely dice a half an onion. Peel and mince a couple cloves of garlic. Chopped cooked spinach is always a nice addition to any frittata, but if you are using frozen, be sure to squeeze out all the water. Fresh herbs are nice to add as well. I just happen to have some parsley and fresh oregano here. If you don't happen to have any fresh, dried herbs are equally as good. Heat about a tablespoon of olive oil in a non-stick oven-safe skillet. When the oil is nice and hot, add the mushrooms. You want the mushrooms to start to brown and to release most of their moisture. Once the mushrooms have released their moisture, remove them from the pan. To the same pan, add a splash more olive oil. Add the chopped onions and the garlic. Saute lightly just to start to soften. Now I have Italian sausage in the casing, but if you can find bulk sausage, that's perfect. If you can't though, just simply peel away the casing. And in the end, it's like bulk sausage. Continue to cook, breaking up any big pieces of sausage. Once the sausage is fully cooked and lightly browned, you can add back in the mushrooms and the chopped spinach. While your sausage is cooking, this is a perfect time to mix up your egg mixture. And my favorite tool to whisk up eggs is a fork. Give the yolks a little bit of a poke. And to the whipped up eggs, you're going to add milk, sour cream, a little bit of tang and creaminess, your herbs, kosher salt, and some pepper. Give that a good stir. Gruyere cheese is one of my favorites. It provides a little bit of tang and it melts nicely. And then you'll want to add in about half of your cheese. All right, time to put this together. Add the egg mixture all at once. And just give a light stir to combine everything evenly. And now we're going to want to let it cook over about medium heat for 3 to 5 minutes, just until the edges are starting to set. And as you can see, the edge is just starting to set a little bit, so that's about perfect. So now we're going to go ahead and add the remaining cheese right on top. And then we're going to place it in a preheated 350-degree oven for 12 to 15 minutes until just set and still a little bit soft in the center. And you can see it's slightly puffed, a little bit golden around the edges, and just set in the center. Now it needs to rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Such a simple and healthy meal. It's one of my favorites. Simply cut around the edges to loosen, and then into desired wedges.